Hi everyone, welcome to Technology World Hub. My name is Anil. In this session, I am going to discuss about working with frames in Selenium. So in my last series, I have discussed how we can interact with frames in Selenium and how we can switch between different frames. I can highly recommend whoever not attend that series, please go back and see that series. So earlier session was a theoretical session. So in this session, we are going to do it practically. That is in coding. Okay, so let's open this. Let's open the application. Then I will basically tell you what we are going to do exactly. Okay, so if you will see here, this is the application. So in this, we are going to enter first name and last name, and we will go back to, after entering that, we will go back to the main browser. So if you will see here, let's check that. If you will see the first name, and if you go a little bit above, basically it is a frame. Can you see that? It's a frame basically. Okay, iFrame. So iFrame is nothing but frame. So whenever you will find iFrame, that means it is a frame. See, it is highlighting. Okay, so for working on or doing any kind of action inside a frame, you need to first switch to the frame. Directly you cannot able to work. You will get exception. That's why first we will switch to frame, particular frame. See, the ID is iFrame result, name is iFrame result. So we can use either ID or name, and we will switch to the frame. Then we will enter username and password. Sorry, I meant to say first name and last name. Then we will switch back to browser. Okay. If you will see here the first name and last name. So for which IDs and name, both are fname, lname. So using this, we will enter user first name and last name. Okay, let's see the code here. I will just go through the code. WebDriver is a new Chrome driver. Driver.get will navigate to the URL. Then we'll maximize the browser. Then what we are doing, we are just after opening the navigator to the URL of that page, and after maximizing the window, we'll wait for some time, like the frame need to be available, right? So that we can able to interact. So WebDriver wait is a new WebDriver wait driver duration dot of seconds 10 implicit wait basically we are using because it is condition based. So wait dot until expected conditions dot frame to be available and switch to it. Expected condition is frame is available and we can switch to it, right? Then only we can work upon a frame. That's why the condition is wait dot until expected conditions dot frame to be available and switch to it. And we'll write down the locator iFrame result, that is ID or name. Okay, unless until this locator is available, we'll wait. Then WebElement, then what we'll do, we need to enter first name. Similarly, we'll put a condition so that we can wait till the first name locator is available. Like that, WebElement first name is equal to wait dot until expected conditions dot visibility of element located. That means unless until the element is visible, then we'll wait. By dot id fname. So we'll wait for the locator, that is fname, unless until it is visible. How we written? Wait dot until expected conditions dot visibility of element located by dot id, that is first name. Then we'll put first name dot clear. If anything is there in that box, we'll clear that. Then first name dot send key is Anil. Okay. So here exactly, if you see, you will inspect, then we are taking the ID as a first name, and we have to send keys and enter Anil here. Okay. Then similarly, web element last name, driver.find element by.id lname. You will see here the last name is lname, id is lname. Okay, that's what we are taking here, by.id lname. And we are doing last name dot clear. If anything is there, then we will clear the text box. Then last name dot send keys, Raut. We will put Raut here. Okay, Anil, first name Anil, last name Raut. Then what we are doing? Then we'll switch back to main page. How will switch back? Driver dot switch to dot default content. With that, we will switch back to main page. Driver dot switch to dot default content. Then, for a quick understanding or quick confirmation, just will display the title of the page, main page. So that's how we have written title of window, system.out.println, title of window, driver.getTitle. Okay, that's the scenario. Let's run this so that we can observe. Okay, it open the browser. Now it will maximize. Might be a little bit slowness from network side, so you please wait. Yeah, basically it will maximize and enter the first name and last name. Hold on guys, so it will little bit slow, I think. It will with respect to internet, so might be internet is little bit slow. Just be patient. Yeah, see, to maximize the browser, enter first name, last name. Then after that it will switch back to main page and get the title. Let's see that. Okay, we'll see the result. See, perfect. It is working absolutely fine. See, it enter username password that we saw on the UI side, and if you'll see here in the console report, it get the title of the window. Title of window W3 School Try It Editor. If you'll go here, see, this is the title. Okay, so that's how you will work with frame. Basically, we'll switch to the frame and do the action, and then you can navigate back to the main page. Okay, that's how you will interact or do action in frame in Selenium WebDriver. Now let's discuss about there will be one switching between multiple frames. How will work out with multiple frames? Okay, so for that I have also written one code. Let's discuss about that. Let's open this. I will just walk you through. So let's open this one. Yeah. So if you'll see here, this is a sample where we have multiple frames. Like in this page, if you'll see, we have like total 4 frames: left, middle, right, and bottom. If you will inspect here, you will find all the frames. You will see here. Okay, if you see here, see, this is a frame, right, and yeah, frame. Can you see? This is left frame. Okay, similarly, and the body tag is, there is a tag body and the content is left. Okay, body tag, it is left. Left is inside a body tag. Then if we'll go down, similarly, we'll find another frame. So one second. Yeah. So here This is one more frame. Okay, so let's see this. Yeah, this is middle frame. Can you see? This is middle frame, and it has an ID actually. Div ID content is middle. Okay, div ID content is middle. The next one, if we'll go, if we'll see the next one, this is the right frame. Okay, see here, and here the body tag content right. Okay, this is the frame. Then we have one more frame that is in the bottom frame. This is the bottom frame. Okay, these are the different frames. So how can we switch and how can we work upon that? I'm going to cover here. See, this is the bottom. This is the body tag again. Okay. So let's go through the code. You will see here I have written WebDriver driver, new Chrome driver, driver.get. It will navigate to that particular page. Then driver.manage.window to maximize. It will maximize the window. Then switch to top frame. So how can we switch to the top frame? So driver.switch to .frame, frame top. What we have written? You will see here top frame. You will see here in the top frame. Top frame. Let's go back there. We'll check what is there in the top frame. If you observe here, okay, so if you observe here, yeah, frame top. See, it is the top frame. Okay, it is the top frame. The inside that frame, basically it is a nested frame. Inside that frame, we have 3 frames. Top frame itself contains 3 frames. That is left, middle, and right. Okay, it's a nested frame. So if you want to switch to the top frame, so we'll just write down the name, frame name. Driver just switch to that frame name. That is frame top. See, that's how it is. So top frame. We'll switch to top frame top. That name, see, frame top. Now we'll navigate to top frame. After that, let's say in the top frame, we want to navigate to left frame. Okay, then in that case, what we'll do, driver.switch to .frame, that is frame left. You will see here inside the top frame, we want to navigate to frame left. See, this is the frame left. It is a nested frame inside frame. So we'll write down driver dot switch to frame left. That's what I have written. Driver dot switch to frame left. Then what we'll do, we'll just print the tag name. Text in left frame, driver dot find element by dot tag name body dot get text. So this is the tag. We'll see this is the tag, and we'll find the tag name. Okay, we'll find the text actually inside the tag, just for confirmation. So what expected is it will return left. Similarly, after that what we'll do, then we'll switch to middle frame. Okay, left frame. Then driver dot switch to dot parent frame. Directly we cannot switch from one frame to another. So just we'll go back to parent frame, move back to parent frame. That is driver dot switch to the parent frame. If we write down parent frame, then it will come to the parent frame. Then from parent again we'll go to the child frame, like driver dot switch to dot frame middle. So here if you see frame middle, see name is middle. Then we'll get the text. Here we'll use the ID of contents. ID. If you see here, how is it we are getting? Text in middle frame, driver dot find element by dot ID, content dot get text. ID is content. Okay. Then again we'll go back to parent frame, driver.switch2.parentFrame. From parent frame, again we'll go to the right frame. That is driver.switch2.frame, frame right. You will see here, this is the right frame, frame right. Okay, this one, right frame. Okay, then from here, we'll find the text with the tag name. You'll see here, driver.findElement by.tag name, that is body.getText. Okay, then after that, we'll go back to the main page, driver.switch2.defaultContent. Okay, we'll go back to the main page. So in the main page, let's display the title. Suppose system dot out dot println. Let's display the title. Okay, main page. Let's say title. Main page title. Suppose driver dot get title. How will get the driver dot get title? Okay, we'll print the title. Then after that we'll navigate to the bottom frame, driver.switch2.frame, frame bottom. You will see here, frame bottom. This is the frame. Okay. Then in that we'll display the text with the body tag. You will see here, driver.findElement by.tag name body.getText. Okay. That's how we'll work with multiple frames. Let's run this, then we will see the result. Okay, this is the main portion. So let's run this and we'll see the result. Okay, it will open the browser, then it will navigate, it will maximize, and basically it will work with all the frames, like navigate and work with all the frames. How exactly we discussed. Okay, let's go back to the console and we'll see the result. See, absolutely working fine. Initially, it goes to where? Left frame and find the text. Basically, initially it goes to the top frame. Then from top frame, it goes to frame. Top frame is the parent frame. From parent frame, it go to the left frame. Okay, the left frame, and it find the text, that is left. Again from left it goes to the parent. Okay, from parent it come to middle frame. Then it get the text, that is middle. From middle it goes to parent again. From parent it come to right and it get the text, that is right. Then on the main page, okay, it is blank because I think it might be time, means some timer to issue. We'll put some timing, that will result. Then text in bottom frame is equal to bottom. Okay, then what it does, it went to the parent. Okay, that means to the main page. Understood? When it was on the right, from right it went to the main page, driver.switch2.defaultContent. Okay, from main page again it come to bottom frame. Okay, understood? The title, why it is not coming, basically we'll put some weight here so that it will come. Let's put some weight. Let's say driver dot manage dot timeouts dot implicit weight. Let's say duration dot of second. We can put something like 30 seconds. Let's say. If more slow also it will print. Okay, let's rerun this. Then this time it will print the title also. Let's check that. Okay, let's run this. Okay, it will navigate. Fine. Perfect. So let's go back to the console. Okay. Okay. So basically it is not printing the title. Why it is. So 1 second, guys. So what I did driver.manage the time I was implicitly wait duration dot of seconds 30. I took 30 seconds. Okay, basically okay. So it's my kind of mistake because I put the weight in the wrong place. Okay, initially what I need to do, I need to switch back to the main page, then I will wait so that it will print, right? Okay, now it will work. So let's run this and we will see the result. Okay, definitely it should work because earlier what I did before switching to the main page, I just wait, but that will not work, right? So I need to return to the main page, then I will wait, then only it will print the title. So definitely this time it will work. Let's see that. 1 second. 1 second. Okay, so it is not working. Understood. It should work, but let me check that. So main page title. Okay, driver dot get title. Okay, just to debug, I think it is not ideal, but let me. Okay, sorry. Let me comment this. Sorry. Let me comment this. Just I will put thread.sleep. Like it's not ideal again, guys. But let me put just thread.sleep so that explicitly I will wait for, let's say, 60 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds is maybe not more. So let me wait for 30 seconds. I mean 60 seconds. Let's see how it will work. Definitely it should work. Let's run this. See, it is waiting to print the right one. Okay, after that it will return to the main page. Then I would expect it to print the title. Then it will switch to the bottom frame and get the text of the bottom frame. That's how it is, right? Now it is waiting. Let's see. Because I put 60 seconds, so it will wait for 60 seconds actually. Thread.sleep is not ideal, but just for our understanding I put that just to see the behavior. Okay, that means okay, title it is not printing. So let me what I can do, I can write down the same scenario initially. Let's see how the behavior. Okay, here if I'll put main page title, then let's run this. Let's see how it behaves. Okay, so that we can understand what is the issue here. Okay, it should print. Let's see that. Okay, let's see that. Let's see what it does. Okay, basically it is not printing the title, although frame is working fine, but the title it is not printing actually. So for that, let me put some weight here also. Okay. Okay, instead of title, let me print something like, let's say, okay, let me, what I can do, something else I can print. Let me, okay, what else I can put, just I'm thinking. 1 second, guys, just I'm checking. Don't worry. Title, let's see here, should print the title. And in the main page, when I told the main page, okay, it will be basically, it should come to here basically. 1 second. HTML. Okay, let's put the URL just to understand. Let's driver.get URL, suppose. Okay, driver.get current URL. Okay, let's print that. And here also, dot get current URL. Okay, let's run this. Okay, see, it is absolutely working fine. There might be, I would say if you see here, frame is absolutely working fine. So initially we check the title, then we navigate to different frames. Basically we switch to different frames, did the work, then we came to main page. Here also we are displaying the title, then we are displaying the frame, bottom frame name. Okay guys, so the title is, I would say the title is different, but definitely it is working fine. So basically yeah, it might be printing mistake, so it is not title, it is a current URL, main page URL. Okay, main page current URL. Okay guys, so this is not like, okay, so basically frame is working absolutely fine. It's about title. Okay, the title is separate thing, but that's how you can work with frames. That's how you can work with different frames. Okay guys, the main code is that. So this is the way we can work with nested frames. Okay, this is the main code. So you can work with nested frames. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I will come up with some interesting topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Please like it, subscribe it, share with your friends and family. Thank you so much, guys.